Hi, my name is Chelsea, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute Easter sign. First, I started off by making a rectangle to guide me as I designed. It was a 5x7 sign that I got, so I took the shapes from the bottom, I unlocked the square, and I adjusted the square to make it a rectangle. On the Nana and Pompo Peeps wording, I picked the font and I measured it to the rectangle. Then I added the heart in there by finding the image in the Images tab. I got it to fit where I wanted, and I welded the font in the heart using the Actions tab on the bottom. The font I used for the Nana and Pompo was Annie Lou, and the font that I used for the names on the peeps was Caslon Black. Once you are done designing, you can delete your rectangle template. I will show you how I did the peeps. You go into Images, which is also where I got the egg designs for the sign. I grabbed the peeps from there, and then I added some text. I fit the text inside the peeps the way that I wanted it. I highlighted both, and then I went into the Action tab. I hit Weld, and then I moved the peep away, and that's how I got the text inside. Once you are done designing, you hit Make It. You're ready to start cutting things out. I go through each tab and see how big each image is, and then I pre-cut the vinyl. I do this because I find it easier, but each person's different, so you do what is most comfortable for you. I have a Cricut Explorer 2. So I make sure that the dial is turned to the vinyl. I load my mat and I connect my iPad to my Cricut and I start cutting. For this project, the mat that I used was a little more worn out, so that's why I used the bottom side of it to make sure that the vinyl stuck and wouldn't be lifting as it cut. Just a thought, you can also change the words to Our Peeps if you want to make this for yourself or for a friend. Once it's all cut, it's time to weed. I like to start in the middle of the word first and work my way out. I won't show you guys all of the weeding since it takes a bit. That's our dog Marley in the back. I thought I'd mention her since you can see her the whole time that I'm weeding. That's one of her favorite spots to nap. The sign I used I got from Dollar General, and it was $3. Now I will start using the transfer tape to start putting everything on. I use the same pieces for the peeps and the eggs just to get the most use out of the transfer tape. Alright, now I'm going to start rolling the 3D flowers. I used the hot glue gun to glue the flowers together and to stick them on the sign. If you go to the Images tab and you type in 3D flowers, you will find the cutouts there. And I used the cardstock paper from Walmart. I had these ones pre-cut from another project. The tool that I used to roll my flowers, I found it on Amazon. It's called Florena 4-piece paper quilling tool. It was $5.29. The tool has a little slit at the tip and I put the end of the flower in it. It helps me roll the flowers a lot faster. And here it is, the customized Easter sign. Thanks for watching.